Urso just thinking. It's okay, I'll fill in that gap. That gap in these girls' hearts.
Could you? Open skies.
This is actually really
Save
sad.
them, Gustave. Emma, your apprentices, everyone.
You can leave it to us. There for me.
Oh, this is actually sad. Wait, I'm crying. Wait.
Say hi to Soph for me. Yeah.
We could never tell if you were my brother or my father. But best brother and father I've ever had.
That's actually really sad.
When one falls, we continue.
Thanks for being my family. See you in the next life.
I'm feeling so emotional all of a sudden. Why do I feel so emotional? But they're in swimsuits.